Taking a back seat, unpacking an English idiom. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard before, taking a back seat. This idiom is commonly used in both casual and formal English, and understanding its meaning and usage can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started and explore what it truly means to take a back seat. The phrase, taking a back seat, is an idiom that means to choose not to be in a position of leadership in a particular situation, letting others lead, make decisions, or be in the spotlight. Interestingly, this idiom originates from the literal act of choosing to sit in the back rather than the front of a vehicle or room, implying a lesser role or level of importance. To really grasp the meaning, let's look at some examples. 1. In a team project. Even though Jenna is usually the leader of our group projects, she's taking a back seat this time to let Tom lead. 2. In decision-making. I usually plan our family vacations, but this year I'm taking a back seat and letting the kids decide where we go. These examples show how someone might step back from a leadership role or active participation, allowing others to take the lead. Understanding the context and timing for using taking a back seat is crucial. It's often used when someone wants to empower others by giving them a chance to lead or make decisions. Learn or observe rather than directly influence a situation. Avoid conflict or let more knowledgeable people take charge. It's a versatile idiom that can be used in personal, professional, and academic settings to describe a wide range of situations where someone is intentionally choosing a less dominant role. And that wraps up our exploration of the idiom, taking a back seat. We hope this video has shed light on how and when to use this phrase, enriching your English vocabulary and conversational skills. Remember, idioms like this one can add color and depth to your language, making your conversations more engaging and natural. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to practice using taking a back seat in your own conversations. See you in the next video.